On my show, I've invited Stephanie.
Your teeth are black.
They don't look good? They're black? Just the gums.
Look at the outside of all the teeth.
It'll come off.
Look, go show the camera your teeth.
So we're going to the dentist today. So I've been using my charcoal
Go up there.
whitener. All right, welcome to Nick's Cooking Corner.
No.
On today's episode, I've invited Stephanie, my wife, to come for the annual bake-off. Today we're gonna be making key lime pies. And now what we're doing, Steph, is we're gonna be having the same recipe on our phones.
Same ingredients.
Same ingredients, same everything. The only difference is mine will be better.
No.
Okay?
We're gonna start off with our key lime pie making the crust. We are gonna do a homemade crust, not store-bought.
Homemade crust made out of great value honey graham crackers.
Okay, pull up your graham cracker crust recipe. Okay, you got it pulled up?
Okay, ready, go!
Ready, go. Wait, we have to do it at the same time. Could you please give me one Ziploc bag? Open it up.
All right, so what we're doing is...
This isn't a race, you're making me nervous.
No, all we're doing, we're just gonna take the whole package of graham crackers because we're not really sure how much 1.5 cup is.
Maybe two, probably two.
What do you mean, 2?
Because it's 1.5 cups.
All right.
And then you just beat it. You probably could have just done with mine.
Right, that was 3 for me. Did you have 3?
Yep.
All right.
Okay, then we're gonna need 1/3 cup sugar.
1/3 cup sugar.
Just pour it in.
Oh.
All right, what's the next ingredient? Nick?
Next up is 6 tablespoons of butter melted. So you're just gonna take your cube.
I go first.
And you're gonna just put it in there. Make sure you cover it or else it's gonna explode in the microwave. Now, Steph, go ahead and, what do you do while you're waiting?
I stare at it.
What kind of goes through your mind?
I'm listening for the explosions that are
Do you
happening.
ever try to like look in between these little holes right here?
You know where
and you shake your head back and forth, you can really see.
I do that. Okay, let's see what it looks like.
All right.
Okay, that was 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
That should be fine.
30 seconds. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it for 35. Okay?
All right, pour in the butter. You want to do the cinnamon challenge?
Nope.
Did you ever do that?
Not in high school anymore.
Did you ever do that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, then it says 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's really not that much.
You know, I'm just gonna eyeball it too because it's really not that much.
And then just mix it up.
You know, we should really get mixing bowls. Like we need to have like a
2
double
of them.
setup so that we can do this.
And 2 stove tops. Wouldn't that be cool? Guys, if this becomes a real thing and you actually watch us, we'll get the real deal.
We'll get the real deal. And in the comments, you can go ahead, if you have something that you want us to create, just throw it in the comments section.
Okay, then it just says press into your pie dish. Look how cute mine is. Look at this. Have you ever made anything other than macaroni and cheese?
I don't know.
I think you have to press it pretty good, right? It's like supposed to be pretty firm. No joke on that?
I thought about it. I thought about it.
Okay, we're gonna pull up our key lime recipes. You got it?
7th. I got it. Ready, go.
We already made the graham cracker
Okay,
crust.
3 cups sweetened condensed milk.
Preheat oven to 350, not 375. So can you lower
Preheating
that?
oven to 350.
Okay, so we need to combine the condensed milk and the sour cream. Let's start with that.
All right, how much is in 1 can?
I don't know, that's why I bought 6 of them.
2 tablespoons is 1 serving size.
No, you just get this.
Okay.
And we're gonna do it 6 times. Okay, so 1 can is 1 cup. You don't need it. You just need all 3 cans.
Ready, go.
Okay, what's the next?
1/2 cup of sour cream. We have sour cream?
I bought some.
I'm having dumplings tonight. Future video. cup sour cream.
And 3/4 cup of the lime juice. Oh boy. So why don't you just squeeze this whole thing over there? Spoon of grated lime.
And quick tip, a really easy way to get all the
gosh.
lime juice out is just, all right, you just pop a big hole in this bad boy, okay? And then you crack this open.
There you go. I would have never thought of that. Get it all.
Well, that's a whole cup. You need 3/4.
Right, we each need 3/4, so we're gonna have to share. So we're gonna have to steal some.
It's exactly 3/4.
We're gonna have to steal some juice from the limes.
All right. I got my
So
grater.
you need a tablespoon. So I would probably say a whole lime is grated. Let's do both of them. Because I like mine very lemony, and we were short. We were short anyway.
And mine is not gonna have both. But I'm gonna cut these up, strain them, and then dump the juice in.
Yeah. Oh, you're not gonna do two?
Nope, not this. But the juices, yes.
You just want to be different.
I want to be different, yet better.
All right, we do not have one of those fancy things. Once again, this video actually has to be popular for us to invest in nice stuff. So we're just squeezing it out with our hands.
It's really stinging my fingernails.
And then you just pour this into our crust and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes. That's it. We should cook our crust for a few minutes, don't you think?
Sure. Why don't you just slip it in now? Now, Stephanie, what she just mentioned, she's gonna put the crust inside at 350 just for a few minutes until we're done stirring.
I didn't realize that this only cooks for 8 minutes, so I'm worried the crust won't cook enough. So I'm just gonna do that really fast.
I was worried too.
So after we put it in the oven, and then we have to let it cool on the counter, and then you have to put it in the fridge until it's completely cold, and that's when you eat it. Does it taste like a key lime?
I don't know, does it?
Mine does. Do you need more zest? Yours tastes good.
Okay.
Alright, I think mine's good. I feel
Okay,
like
Stephanie, now why don't you go ahead and tell everyone what we do next?
just pour it in.
Here we go. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go.
Are you putting it all in?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, I'm a little worried about my crust not going up on the edges.
Try mine.
No, your fingers are been
Try
in.
mine.
Look at you. Alright. Then you just put them in. Okay, open the thing. Okay, so those cook for 8 to 9 minutes. We take them out and then we let them cool on the counter. And then once they're completely cool, you put them in the fridge for like hours until it's completely cold, and then you can eat it. You can't eat it out of the oven.
All right. We'll be right back after this short message. Okay, so little bubbles have to start bursting. Here, open it up. Ready? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go.
See how the bubbles aren't popping yet?
Those bubbles need to pop.
Two charges. Two.
Okay.
Wait. I want to talk to you. Anything.
I don't know if it's good. There's a wobble.
Mine's so much better. Why didn't you put more crust in?
I don't know. It's okay. Okay, then we just let them cool.
All right. All right, welcome back to Nick's Cooking Corner. We're back with Stephanie.
I told you not to show me.
Why, you look fantastic. We're back with Stephanie and one of our surprise guests, Desmond. Hello. All right, we're just about to take the pies out. Stephanie has the whipping cream maker. All right, now what this is all it is heavy whipping cream, okay? And then one of these dispensers. There's a gas canister installed within it.
Did you hear it?
Yeah. You're a dreamer. Spray it into my mouth. Does it work? No. Oh, she said only make it 3/4 of the way up.
I did. I didn't fill it all the way.
You look so pretty on. Ah! Good. All right, I've been sprayed everywhere.
Oh, it's everywhere! We gotta take a pause.
Pause.
Yeah?
See.
Yeah, heavy whipping cream?
See.
Yeah, I am. Oh, it's working now.
Hi.
Holy crap, it looks like it snowed in my house.
Okay, we're just finished cleaning. That sprayed basically anywhere the eye sees.
It works now.
Now it works. Oh man. I thought I took the worst of it, but no, everything else did. All right, so it works
Yeah.
after a couple tests.
All right. Okay,
All
get
right.
the pies out.
Let's set the pies out. All right, so Cozy already had a piece from yours, and mine
It's way in the back.
way in the back. I mean, already you can see.
So my mother-in-law came over, well no, Nick's mother-in-law came over, my mom, and they ate a piece of it. We apologize. But look guys, see that? See the lime in there? Yummy, yummy. All right, now we're just gonna do some decorations on it. All right, so what we're just gonna do is just do some all the way around. And then we'll have more like when we serve it. Look at that.
All right.
Now let's test it. Does it cut like butter?
Mm-hmm.
Well, geez. Being a little generous there, don't you think?
I'm hungry.
I hope the crust comes out nice. Probably not. I think our crust needed more butter in it. Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, this is mine. And
Look
mine
at that.
turned out very nice.
What do you think? Does it taste like a key lime? Is it better than store-bought?
I think store-bought, like, it hits you, like the taste hits you pretty fast.
I think we needed more lime.
Yeah, with each bite, you kind of have to search for the zest.
Well, is it good though?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have trouble eating this?
No, I'll eat the whole thing.
Okay. Okay, this is mine. Is mine more lime?
Hers had more lime. So the secret is, I could have had like another 3/4 cup of lime in mine.
Yeah. And you didn't zest 2 of your limes, you only zested 1. Remember?
Yeah, I guess so. So yours is more limey.
But yours looks better.
Yours tastes better, mine looks better.
So what do you guys think? This is mine. And there's Nick's. And there's our child begging for some. That good?
All right, make sure you subscribe to our videos so that you can check more of these things out. We love doing this together, so we want you guys to be a part of it. Go ahead and in the comment section, if you got an awesome recipe, chances are we've never made it. So give us some ideas and we'll give you a shout out.